This lecture is of reproductive system of the prawn. As prawn, they have male and female separate. There is sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism means we can identify male and female externally. That is called the sexual dimorphism. Male, as the male reproductive organs, जड़ा मैं difference की दस्या सी, the male that has second chelating leg larger as compared to female. Clear है? In case of male reproductive system, there is present one pair of testes. Its situation is above the hepatopancreas. There are two which are completely jointed on the anterior and posterior region and little bit free in the middle region. Why this is present? From here the cardiopyloric तो बाद जड़ी स्टिप है वो दे विचों निकलती है, इस करके जड़ा सेंट्रल पोर्शन है दैट इज़ नॉन जॉइंटेड. इस करके कंप्लीटली दो जड़ियाँ टेस्टिस दे आर नॉट कंप्लीटली जॉइंटेड. देयर इज़ वन स्पेस इन द लिटिल बिट in the center. This is median for cardiopyloric stand. Clear? Or there are present two white mass which is made up of seminiferous tubules. Clear? Which is made up of seminiferous tubules and by which there is formation of sperms from each testis. One is left side, another is on right side. There arises one tube like structure. This is coiled. You can see here is a coiled mass of that. This is called the epididymos. Epididymos, or it is called vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia. Then this coiled portion, when it become after coiled, they become the straight. They first goes downward and then become broad. Another part. This is called, this straight tube, that is called the vasa differentia. This vasa differentia open into the big portion that become, that tubular part that become broader, and that is called vesicula seminalis. The function of this vesicula seminalis is to store the sperms. Here sperms are formed. These tubes they carry the sperms, and these sperms they are carried by the vas deferens and stored in the vesicle seminalis. In male genital pore that is present in the coxa of fifth leg. Coxa of fifth leg there is present opening. So leg means this is in the thoracic region. So it is confined into the cephalothoracic portion only, not in the abdominal portion. This is present in the hepatopancreas, the upper white color they. Clear hai beta? From male genital pore which is present in the coxa of the fifth leg, from where the sperms which are stored in the vesicle seminalis, here the sperms is come out of the body to fertilize the eggs formed by the female. Now Female reproductive system, this is again, it is consist of two parts. Again it is white in color, lobule like structures which is present above the hepatopancreas. Here is again space is present for the cardiopyloric stents come out of this aperture like structure. Here they are smaller, here they are smaller, in the center they are broader one. जो जो इत्थों नवे eggs बनते हैं, mature eggs, they are moving toward the sides. In the center there is formation of eggs. As they are going to be mature, they are moving toward the periphery. From the periphery there arises the two tubes. These tubes, they are called the, what are these called? These are called the oviduct. What are these called? These are the oviduct. These oviducts, they open by female genital pore. Where the female genital pore is present, write down, they are coxa of the third leg. Coxa of third leg. There is present female genital pore. Fertilization is, now fertilization, that is external. Fertilization is external. The eggs, unfertilized eggs, when they become mature, they come out of body through the female genital pore and deposit in the leopods. Deposited in the leopods which are present in the abdominal regions, appendages. These leopods are the abdominal appendages. उत्थे छोटे 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 brown color दे लखां, many lakhs eggs, round, they are deposited in the leopods. ठीक है, यहाँ leopods का दूसरा नाम क्या है? swimmerets. Clear? Next is male reproductive system. They produce the sperms. That sperms, they are come out of body through male genital pore which is present in the coxa of the fifth leg. Clear? From here the sperms which are produced and come out of body through male genital pore, they deposit their sperms near the female genital pore, and there is fusion of the eggs which is present in the leopods. There is takes place fertilization, or they male egg and sperms, they are fused to form a zygote. That zygote, that is carried by the leopods of the female. Means the fertilized egg, they also remain with the female body. Where? In the leopods of the abdomen region ਜਿਹੜੇ present ਹੈਗੇ ਆ abdominal appendages ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ deposit ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. No special larva is present, so it is called the this is development is direct. Indirect development ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਚ important larvas they are formed. Here the larva which is formed, which is very much similar with the adult except it is smaller in size. Clear है? और ਜਦੋਂ थोड़े थोड़े ਵੱਡੇ बनने शुरू हो जाते हैं 3 to 5 molting is takes place. Molting की होगी? उपरली स्किन उतर के नीचों नवे वाला बन जाता वै और दैट इज़ बिगर इन साइज एज कंपेयर टू अडल्ट वन। फिर जदों वो बन जाएंगे 2-3 मोल्टिंग तो बाद वो पानी च चले जाएंगे, दैन देयर डिवेलपमेंट इज़ फर्दर, देयर ग्रोथ इज़ टेक्स प्लेस। फिर उहदा साइज़ वधेगा, ऑर्गनस प्रॉपर बन जाएंगे, दे कैन स्विम, दे कैन मूव, लैग्स भी डिवेलप हो जाएगियाँ। तो उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट एग और स्पर्म्स they can form by the egg and ovary as well as testes. Now fertilization clear, development is clear, there is larva which is formed, is very much similar with the adult, no specific different type of larva is there. Clear everything. The development means fertilized egg that is divided into 2, 4, 5 many cells. Division is, they are centrolethal. Egg is centrolethal, where lethal is yolk. Yolk is present in the center portion. And जिथे yolk हुंदी है उत्थे division नहीं हो पाती, कित्थे division हुंदी है जिथे nucleus हुंदी। So nucleus takes place in the on one sides where the nucleus is there. Thank you. Any question?